So in today's video, I'm going to be modifying the engine harness for the new engine. Yoink. See, so it has the 3, not 4. So it goes in a JDM ECU. And this way I don't have to.
Yo, you need to jump in the harness.
This way I don't have to wire up VTEC. I don't have to convert the idle air control valve to a 2 plug instead of a 3 plug.
Gotcha.
So the only thing I have to do with this harness now is wire in the O2 sensor, because on the B18C harness it has 2 O2 sensors, which with that one you only have to extend it, because on here, remember where the O2 was, it was wrapped all the way back down on the top side of the exhaust.
Flex right here. What?
How there's only 1 of these, but there's 2.
There's 2 of them.
What the fuck?
What if you only need one of them?
Maybe.
Looks like you only need a big one.
Yeah, maybe I just need 1. Well, I guess I'm gonna find out. Another reason to get the Y8 harness instead of using your Y7 is, here's the JDM ECU that I have. It has 1, that one's empty, 2, 3 plugs. On the automatic harness, it has 4. On this one, only has 3. This green one is for something else. Okay, so I have to take the O2 sensor and wires off of the harness that came with the B series, and then modify it to go on to the plugs for the Y8 harness.
Oh yeah, beats. Scatter, yeah. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. They must have thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, aiming right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. Niggas chatting with the gossip about. Niggas watching, ain't no hiding out. Smoking big dope when I'm riding out. You ain't getting what you lying about. It was first Vine, now it's the clout. Instagram with the hype about. Let a nigga gon' act up. Fuck around and bring them lions out. Who they saying gon' harm me? I'll keep something in armory. Bring major pain like the army. Just for the time we was starving. Yeah, stomach aches got me heartless. Yeah, I was jugging in and out the market. Hey, I ain't choose this lifestyle. This how it all started. Hey, now I can't sleep at night. 10 toes, I'ma stand through the fight. I can't sleep at night. 10 toes on stand through the fire.
10 toes on stand through the fire.
They must've thought I died. You can see the pain in my eyes. I'm on the edge, ain't been right in my mind. Running up, niggas better think twice. They must've thought I died. You can see the pain